Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute the microphone on Lenovo LOQ 15. To mute the microphone, the first way is pretty simple. So it's by doing it on the keyboard. So let me show you the keyboard. And depending on your configuration in BIOS, you may either just click on the F4 key alone or click on Fn and F4 at the same time. So in my case, this is how it's gonna work with the Fn key. And then it displays on the keyboard either the crossed microphone or uncrossed, so it indicates the microphone state. If you want to change your function keys configuration, so you don't have to click on the Fn key while clicking on F4, you can just watch another video on our channel, which is on how to change the function keys mode in BIOS on this laptop. But there's also another way of doing that, so you can go to settings, but it's quite harder, so I don't think anyone uses that method. But if you really want, then of course you can do it. You can just go to the devices, in Bluetooth and devices, then sound, and now you'll have the microphone here, and you can just click on don't allow to not allow this microphone to be used in different apps. But I think that the more convenient way is to just do it with the keyboard. You can also go to all sound devices, then find all the input devices that you have. You can see here's my microphone, and I can click on don't allow to disable it. But most probably you'll just do it with the keyboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.